Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We've finally been able to make some progress on the John Deere lawnmower, where I put a hitch on it and I had a little bit of issues. As you guys can see in the previous video, where the ball itself, the 2 5/16 ball, would not fit because the shank was obviously way too big. Well, I finally found a fix for that, and I'd say it's a good one. What you think, guys? I also went ahead and changed the angle of how it bolts into place. Went ahead and re-drilled some more holes to bring it up a little bit higher, to also change the angle of how this guy sits. Instead of being cockeyed down a little bit, it's now sitting, I would say, level. Now, it's not 100% perfect, but obviously you guys can see there's the ball on there, that good stuff. She's moving pretty good. So now there's going to be your first test with my landlord's trailer. On this trailer, I went ahead and fixed up the wiring he had on it because it had blinker issues and all that kind of jazz. So I went ahead and did it one better, replaced all the wiring on it, replaced his connector, and cleaned up the trailer pretty good for him. Now, it was a lot worse than what it was, but it looks very good shape. He takes very good care of it, so we decided to go ahead and, help him out, fix his wiring or whatever, because he commented to me in the past saying, hey, I can't get my lights working for me, can you take a look at it? So I said, sure. So anyways, this is going to be your test dummy for the day to see how this guy works. Now, I'm expecting my trailer, that guy right over there, to be a little bit lighter than this one, because this one's all basically wood and such, and it's also about 16 foot. Mine is only a 14 foot. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and give this a shot and see how it works. Alrighty, I'm liking this, guys. Now, as it comes on down, I'm going to watch all of this angle as well. Good, perfect. Very nice. It's got a little bit of a bend to it. That's probably just from the last one. So yeah, that looks really good. I'm already off the ground. Holy crap. I'm liking this. This is pretty freaking cool, guys. I'm honestly very well surprised at how well this thing's working. Because parking it back there behind the Accord. Going back there. So yeah, pretty sure my landlord's gonna be really happy with that. And also, guys, just to let you know, I did this out of the kindness of my heart. I just felt like doing it for him because he's been able to allow me to have a few cars here to work on to keep the channel going. So do me a favor real quick, like, share, subscribe. Gotta clean up. So now we're really gonna see how well this thing works. All right. Oh. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, damn. This is pulling it like it's nothing. Do you realize how easy it's going to be to back this thing up? Hold up. Hold up. I'm going to go ahead and actually try to re-back it up just to see how easy it's going to be. Hopefully I got you guys in shot. Let's see here. I got you guys in here. Entire thing. This thing's freaking sweet. Oh man. I think you're a kid in a candy store right now. This actually looks pretty freaking good. I like this. Oh man. He's gonna be happy with this, guys. It's the simplest things in life that, damn. Well, there you have it, folks. All you gotta do to these guys, take a 1-inch drill bit. When you get these kind of hitches, take a 1-inch drill bit, drill a hole, obviously 1 inch wide, or in diameter, obviously, and put your 2 5/16 ball on it. Now, I only did it, I understand the 2 5/16 is like, goes based off weight, which I understand that. That's just what my trailer takes over there, over the far end. So once I take care of that thing, it's gonna get some bearings put on and so on and so forth, so I replace them. Move the Accord out of the way, back this trailer up into that spot back there, and then bring the Accord over here for right now and start working on the trailer. Maybe probably bring the trailer over here. I don't know. Haven't quite figured it out. But anyways, do me a favor. Just subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. And we're going places for 2025. So, you know, we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, later.